Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Wow, it has been such a long time since I've been in front of this camera. I filmed a bunch of videos before I went on, I guess, maternity leave. So it's been even longer. I think I've been releasing videos that I've pre-recorded this time. So hopefully you've been seeing it and hopefully you're doing well. I gave birth early January, so it's been a while, but postpartum has hit me quite hard and I'm still kind of going through it. So I wasn't even sure if I was going to make this video right now. But yes, I have heard from a lot of people that, you know, doing things that you normally did before postpartum is very important. So I'm trying to force myself to kind of get back into some of the things that I used to like, and we'll see how it goes. Anyway, I'm here, like, as you can see, with a handbag unboxing. Yeah, this is what this channel is about, so I don't want to get too caught up in something else. But if you are interested in talking about any of this stuff, you can message me separately. Okay, so today's video is an unboxing of a Chanel handbag, and this one is something that I've been looking at since before. I wasn't able to get my hands on it, and so I waited for another season to see what else they had, and I already kept my essay informed that that's something I'm interested in, and she messaged me and actually mailed it to me because I was, you know, with a newborn, so I couldn't really leave the house. And so that was really nice. I don't think I've ever, maybe during the pandemic, I had a handbag shipped to me, but otherwise it's always been at the store. So this is how it came. I already opened it. But yeah, in case you're ever wondering, there's always this like film that in the box, and then the actual Chanel box is inside. And then here is the receipt, and let me just take it out. Like I said, I've already opened it because I wanted to look at it before the deadline to return comes around. So I already did look at it, but I didn't have time, you know, to film it. So here it is. It is quite a big box. I did film me unboxing it, so if I have that cut away, I can insert it as well. But let's just open this, and I don't know when my baby's gonna cry, so my husband's looking after her right now, so I'm just trying to like optimize time as well. If you have a newborn at some point, or currently do, you know what I mean. But here it is, the box. It's actually quite heavy. I don't know if you can guess what it is. Actually, I have like a 2026 wish list video that I hope would have been released by now, but yeah, you may be able to guess what this is. So that's the box. I actually thought about not keeping it because I just didn't feel in the right mindset. Like I didn't have that same like urge to buy a new handbag, but I think part of it is because I'm so distracted with a, you know, newborn and postpartum recovery and everything. So I'm hoping that I made the right decision to keep it. So here we go. To reveal. Maybe you can't see it. All right, here we go. This is the 25 bag in the small size, and I had wanted the mini size back in December with the copper color, but they were all sold out. And they told me at the time that there was a gray with ruthenium hardware coming out for the 26P collection. So I was like, oh, I don't have anything in ruthenium hardware, and gray seems like a really good neutral. So I told them to keep me on the list for this. It is a size small, and I was like teetering between a small and a mini because I think the mini is cute, especially in that copper color. But I think a small is definitely a more practical practical bag, especially now that I probably have to carry a little bit more things with me. But I've tested the side pockets. So for the small size, my phone, which I have a Pixel 10, so here it is, and it does fit perfectly in here with the case. So let me just show you. So you can see that, and it doesn't look too bulky. It's perfect. It kind of stays out of the way, but then it's easily accessible. And there's obviously another pocket on the other side that I can also put, so I could put on either side. But with the mini, it won't fit. So that was one of the compromises that I would have had to make, and I'm not actually sure what I would put in the mini pocket on the outside anyway. But yeah, so I'm really like torn, because I did like the mini size, but I remembered a while back I was thinking I want a Chanel bag, now that I've so many, I've collected so many over the years, that I wanted one that was slightly bigger, so not the, you know, mini sizes. And since I've been using bags in 2025 that were slightly larger than a mini bag, I thought this would be a good addition. So let me just, I'm sure you guys have seen this bag all over the internet, but it does have this drawstring right here, and there's a little like push mechanism. So if you push this down, you can cinch in the metal leather chain, and then that gives it a more scrunched look, but it also makes the top smaller. Now this top does not ever get so small that it closes all the way, but I think when you wear it on the shoulder, it probably is fine, it's pretty secure. And yeah, no feet on the bottom of this one, but this is caviar, so I think it should be okay. The hardware is ruthenium all throughout, and let me just show you the inside. So the inside of this bag is quite roomy because it's like a bucket bag. So there it is right there. I like that the lining is a light gray. It's a fabric lining, so it keeps it light, lightweight, and it's easy to see. There is one slip pocket, right there. Let me see if I can show you right there. It's like a, enough for like a card holder maybe. And then there are two slip pockets on either side. So like there's one right here, and then there's one on the other side right here. And my phone can again fit in there. So let me just show you really quick into the slip pocket. But you can also put other things like lippy and stuff. So there we go, right there. But if you had like a water bottle, I'm sure you can put, I don't have a water bottle with me, but I'm sure you can fit that in here as well. And yeah, so you can wear it open very easily. Let me just sling it over my shoulder. So that's what it looks like on me. I'll try to put in a mod shot, but yeah. And then if you were to like make it tighter, like scrunch it up, it kind of has this like scrunched look. But yeah, I think it is a very comfortable bag. I think a lot of people have commented that this chain bit on their shoulder can dig in. So I guess in the summertime, it probably will be more of an issue because you'd be wearing thinner layers. Right now I have like a quilted jacket on, so I think it wouldn't be a problem. But yeah, this one is, like I said, from the 26P collection. It is the Chanel 25 in the size small. But yeah, I'm hoping that this is very different than other Chanel bags in my collection, that you know, I would reach for it, especially now that I need to carry a little bit more things, easily accessible. This is definitely it. So I hope you liked this quick unboxing. I will try to use it. I don't know how often I'll be able to use it because I've been stuck at home so much right now, and even when I go out, it's like a diaper bag, you know, unless I go out with my husband. But anyway, I would like to do an updated review of this at some point, but I would need to use it more, so I will have to update you when that happens. Thank you for your patience. I hope everyone's doing well out there. Thank you for all of your sweet messages in my life update video. It was very heartfelt. I was in some of my deepest moments, hardest moments there, and reading the comments definitely, you know, helped me smile a little bit, and hearing all of your experiences through, you know, really was encouraging. So thank you so much to everyone who's left something like that, and thank you for your congratulations. I hope to be here at some point in the future. I don't know if I could do it once a week. It's just been very, very hectic. So I hope you guys understand. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.